Hi guys, I've got 2 cash bolts to do. So we've got 46 and 47. Okay. Oh, let's see what our doubles are quick. So we got Tash, Crown, Safe. Right, so it's Tash, Crown, Safe. Oh, and 7. Okay. So we got gold in a cloud. 7 and a palm tree. And that is our first double as well. And then we've got a diamond and a chest. Clover and an apple. Also we need a stack. Rainbow and a gem. Oh yay, we got a win, guys. Got a win. Yay. Stack and VIP. Oh, we got 2 wins. Got 2 wins, guys. That's a good one. And a money bag. See if we can get anything else. Safe. And a bulb. Oh, we got 3 wins actually. 3 wins. Yay. Okay. Oh, 4 wins. No way. And oh, we got 5 wins. Wow. 5 wins. I can't believe that. All right, let's see if we can get fingers. Oh, we have. Oh, I thought, is that going to be like a whole row of fingers? But not quite. So we got 6 matches altogether. So we got 3, 5, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So I think that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20 quid, guys. Wow. Now this was a £6 session. We got £20. So we've actually got profit. Alright, see if we can get a back. But to be honest, after that, I don't think we will. But you never know. We can try. Clover and a rainbow. Gem and a cloud. Stack and an apple. Lemon and a safe, which is a double. And then we got a pound and a palm. And then we got a heart and a gold bar. And then we got VIP and a 7. Okay, so no one up there. But can we get fingers? No, but I did expect that though. This was a 6 wins, so nearly well, actually that is a full card actually, isn't it? Because oh no, 10 times. That's not a full card, sorry. No, there used to be a full card, like 6 matches, but that was before that. But still, very nice. Nice little £14 profit. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Cheers, guys.